I'm gonna try. Holy heck! Sayonara! Oh, she weaves really good too. Monster 1200S, you have grown on me. Now, what I'm going to try to do is use the quick shifter because I don't really know how to use it, so... Boop. The tension on the clutch lever is like so hard.
Hydraulic clutch, not a cable.
Is it more accurate? Is that why?
It's more accurate. Basically, like, it's got a hydraulic piston that slams the gears together.
Okay.
The potential of missing a shift.
Huh.
Get on the highway. Quick shifter.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh. Here we go. Holy heck! Sayonara! What? Holy! Okay there. I get it. This is fast. Now, this is the fastest bike I have ever ridden. Oh man! The hell, man! Oh. Woo. I'm still on 4th gear. I feel like with this bike, I'm gonna be doing more reckless things. So I just gotta be slightly more mature about it. Yes. Holy fuck! Well, you got me, Josh. Ducati Monster 1200S is faster than the Fat Bob. Did anyone doubt that? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this quick shifter is cool. It blips for you. I see what he means about the use of the quick shifter. It is so... Oh. What are you doing? Oh, he may have converted me, guys. Oh, she weaves really good too. Monster 1200S, you have grown on me. And this is not good for me. Especially if I have to go back on my Iron 883. Being on this Monster 1200S from 2019 for just over an hour now, and having the experience on the highway, lots of city roads, lots of stop and go traffic, I am a fan of this bike. And I'm also a fan of the Ducatis because I also enjoyed riding that 821, but man, this is a different beast altogether. And for those who are watching this just for the shits and giggles, thanks for sticking around. And for the others who are watching this for research purposes because you are in the market of this Ducati 1200S and you're in a similar motorcycle riding experience bubble as I am, which is riding a cruiser for about a year or so, or maybe even a smaller sport bike. Hopefully my raw experience on the Ducati Monster 1200 has given you a little bit more insight on how a new rider would feel on this motorcycle. In a nutshell, it's a lot of power for a rider, and you really need to understand how a motorcycle works, obviously, and respect that throttle handle, because this bike can definitely get you in a lot of trouble, whether by the law, because you're going too fast, or hitting the pavement because you are overriding your skill set as a rider, which can easily happen. Oh, I don't think I've gone that fast before in my life. Whew. Guys, that was a roller coaster of a ride. I couldn't do a lot of talking and riding at the same time because I was so concentrated on trying to not die. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed this impression of the Ducati Monster 1200S from Josh here. Special thanks to him for letting me ride his motorcycle here. And hopefully he had also a little bit of fun on the Iron 883. Please click that subscribe and like button if you haven't done so. And like always, ride safe, ride prepared, ride on. Peace.